Good day everyone. Today I will discuss our course computer programming. So today we're gonna discuss all about HTML and CSS and for our course web development. Today we're gonna discuss about HTML and CSS. Here are example of my project. This project is about shopping for shoes. Let's see how it is. So we're gonna see my project Show West. This project did cost me some time. This for my estimation, this did cost me about 1 week or so. This project is all about selling shoes. Yeah. This is not finished yet. Yeah. This is HTML and CSS combined. But let's see the if we disregard the CSS or the styling. Yeah, this is the HTML itself. You can see that it is plain, and yeah, there's no much style on this one. But when we use CSS, see, the CSS formats and design our website or web page. So yeah, HTML and CSS is one of the strongest web designing platform or code, or basically language for coding. Yes, this is our lesson for grade 11 in web development. So yes, in our subject computer programming, this is all that we learn through Ma'am Canyo or Mrs. Canyo. This is all for today. Let's go!